Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to stream on Twitch using OBS Studio. First open your OBS Studio, then go to Setting, go to Stream, then connect your Twitch account. You can connect using Stream key or you can direct login to connect your account. Then go to Scene, add a new scene. Now add sources, add your audio source, select microphone. Now add your video source, select display capture, select your monitor. Now add your webcam by video capture device. I don't have any webcam, so there is no webcam option. Select your webcam. Now select that webcam and resize it. Now go to your Twitch account. Now go to profile, then go to video creator dashboard. Now from the left, click stream manager. Now select edit stream info. Now write your title and etc. Now go to OBS Studio again and click start streaming. Now minimize. Your streaming will be shown here on stream preview. You can see in on stream preview you can see your streaming. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.